Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Lessons. We're so happy you're here.
This is the podcast where you can improve your English one simple conversation at a time. We speak slowly, clearly, and use easy English for beginner learners.
So, whether you're at home, walking, driving, or relaxing, you can listen and learn with us.
And before we begin, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to the Lessons channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson.
Okay, Alex, today's episode is a big one, a full tour. We are going to live one complete day entirely in English.
From the moment the alarm rings in the morning to the moment your head touches the pillow at night.
And here's why this is so powerful. A lot of learners think they need 10,000 words to speak English. But the truth is, you live the same day, more or less every day. Morning, breakfast, work, lunch, shopping, evening, sleep.
And that day needs maybe 300 phrases. If you know that English of your own day, you can already live in English. That's the secret.
So today, we'll walk through the whole day, hour by hour, and give you the phrases for each moment. Real phrases, short and natural.
Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's wake up in English.
Part 1, the morning.
Beep, 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 the alarm. What's the first sentence of your day, Emma?
Honestly, 5 more minutes.
Ha! Perfect. That's already English. 5 more minutes. Everyone says it in every language.
And when you finally get up, you can narrate your morning. Remember, talking to yourself is training. I'm awake. I'm getting up. Where are my slippers?
Then the bathroom routine. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm taking a shower. Simple, present, continuous. I am doing this. Your whole morning fits in that one pattern.
Then comes the most important question of the morning. Alex, you know it.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee or tea, and the breakfast phrases. I'm making breakfast. Do we have any milk? We're out of bread.
Oh, that's a good one. We're out of something means it's finished. There is no more. We're out of milk. We're out of eggs. We're out of time.
And one more morning phrase. For the days when everything goes wrong, I'm running late.
I'm running late. I love that English says running. You're not actually running. You're just late and stressed.
Say it with feeling. I'm running late. And now, let's act out a real morning. Alex, you're the sleepy one. I'll start.
I was born for this role.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. 5 more minutes, please.
No, wait, it's already 7:30. Coffee or tea?
Coffee. Big coffee. Do we have any milk?
Let me check. No, we're out of milk.
Black coffee it is. Oh no, is it really 7:30? I'm running late.
And scene. Did you hear it? 7 or 8 little phrases, and that's a complete real morning conversation.
Play that little scene again tomorrow morning while you make your own coffee. Say both parts out loud. That's how it becomes yours.
Okay, dressed, fed, caffeinated. Part 2, leaving the house.
Keys, phone, wallet, the Holy Trinity. Before you leave, you check. Do I have everything? Where are my keys?
Where are my keys? Like possibly the most spoken sentence in the English language.
Then you're on the street. Maybe you take the bus or the train or you drive. Useful phrases, I'm on my way. The bus is late. I missed my train.
I'm on my way is gold. Someone calls. Where are you? You say, I'm on my way. It means I have left. I am coming. Don't worry.
Even if you're still looking for your keys.
Alex, yes, even then.
And if you're lost, remember the polite opener. Excuse me, does this bus go to the center? Excuse me, is this seat free?
Excuse me opens every door in English. Learn it, love it, use it.
Quick scene. You're at the bus stop, Emma. I'm a stranger with headphones.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Does this bus go to the center?
Oh, yes, it does. It should come in about 10 minutes.
Great, thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good one.
Have a good one. A friendly, casual way to say, have a good day. You'll hear it everywhere.
Notice something else in that scene. When I didn't hear you, I said, sorry, I didn't catch that. And you just repeated the question calmly. No panic. That's real communication.
And while you wait for that bus, there's one more skill. Weather small talk. Strangers in English-speaking countries love talking about the weather.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
It really is. Or on the other kind of day, terrible weather today.
I know. They say it might rain later.
You don't need more than that. nice day, terrible weather, it might rain. 3 little sentences, and you can small talk with any stranger at any bus stop in the world.
It's not really about the weather, it's about being friendly. The weather is just the excuse. Part 3, arriving at work or school or university. And you already know what happens first. We did 2 full lessons on it.
The greetings, good morning, how are you, how's it going?
And the answers. Pretty good, not bad. I'm a little tired. And always ask back. How about you?
If you missed those episodes, days 3 and 4 of our challenge, the links are in the description. That little conversation is the door to your whole day.
At work, some phrases you'll hear and say, every day, let's do a few. Can you help me with this?
Can you help me with this? Polite, simple, works for everything.
I have a question.
I have a question. The phrase that saves you in every meeting, every class. Nobody is ever angry at I have a question.
Let me check.
Let me check. A beautiful chunk. Someone asks you something, you don't know the answer yet. Let me check. It buys you time and it sounds professional.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Oh, this one is essential. Sorry, I didn't catch that means I didn't hear you or I didn't understand. Please say it again. It's so much better than silence.
And one more, I'll get back to you. It means I can't answer now, but I will answer later. I'll get back to you this afternoon.
Let's act out one little office moment. Alex, you're my colleague.
Morning, Emma. How's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Hey, can you help me with this report? Something looks wrong.
Sure. I have a question. Is this the new version or the old one?
Good question. Let me check. You know what? I'll get back to you after lunch.
Perfect. And scene. Every single phrase from this part in 30 seconds of office life.
Greeting, answer, ask back, request, question. Let me check. I'll get back to you. That's a whole professional toolkit, and none of it is difficult English.
Meetings, emails, questions. That's the work morning. And then finally, the best hour of the day arrives. Part 4, lunch.
Lunch. Maybe you bring your own food. Then you just say, I brought my lunch. But maybe you go out.
And then it's cafe English. We covered prices and paying on day 5. How much is this? Can I pay by card? But let's add the ordering phrases.
The magic structure is, can I have, please? Can I have the chicken sandwich, please? Can I have a coffee, please?
Or I'll have the soup, please. Both are perfect. Pick your favorite and make it automatic.
The waiter might ask, for here or to go? That means, do you eat here or do you take the food with you?
For here, please. Or to go, please. 2 words and you sound like a local.
And when the food comes and your colleague says, how is it? You say,
It's delicious. Or honestly, it's not bad. We know what not bad really means now.
let's order together. I'm the barista. Welcome. What can I get you?
Hi, can I have a chicken sandwich and a small coffee, please?
Of course. For here or to go?
To go, please.
That's $8.50. Card or cash?
Card, please. And can I get a receipt?
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too. And that, friends, is a complete cafe visit. Order, choose, pay, thank, maybe 20 words in total.
And did you notice $8.50? The prices from day 5 coming back again. Everything connects.
Quite good. Okay, fed and happy. Part 5, the afternoon. The afternoon is for errands. Errands are all the small tasks of life. The supermarket, the pharmacy, the bank, picking up a package.
At the supermarket, excuse me. Where can I find the rice? Do you have this in a bigger size? I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks. The phrase that politely says, please don't sell me anything, I'm browsing.
At the pharmacy, do you have something for a headache, for a cold, for a sore throat?
Do you have something for one pattern, every small health problem, and making appointments? I'd like to make an appointment, please.
And the time phrases come back. Day 6, what time does it open? What time does it close? Does 4:30 work for you?
See how it all connects? Your whole day is built from the same small blocks, again and again.
One more quick scene, the pharmacy. I'm the pharmacist. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hi, do you have something for a headache?
Sure, take this. 1 tablet twice a day after food.
Twice a day after food? Got it. How much is it?
4:25.
I'll take it. Thank you.
Got it. That's a lovely little phrase, by the way. It means I understand. I have the information. Someone explains something. You say, got it.
Got it.
And all day long, one thing never stops, your phone. Let's do 1 minute of phone English because messages have their own language.
Text messages are short. Nobody writes full sentences. You write, on my way. Running late. Be there in 10.
Be there in 10, meaning I will be there in 10 minutes. The I will disappears. Texting English is lazy English, and that's okay.
Other useful ones. Call you later. Sounds good. No worries.
Sounds good is the universal yes of texting. Dinner at 7? Sounds good. Meet at the station? Sounds good.
And no worries is the friendly no problem. Sorry, I'm late. No worries.
And if someone calls and you can't talk, can I call you back? I'm in a meeting.
Can I call you back? So useful. Okay, phone down. Part 6. The evening. Work is done. You text a friend. And what do you write? Are you free tonight? Let's grab dinner. Grab is casual and friendly. Let's grab dinner. Let's grab a coffee. Let's grab a drink.
Or maybe you're tired and you want the sofa. Then the honest phrase is, I'm staying in tonight. I just want to relax. Let's do it another time.
I'm staying in. The opposite of going out. And it's a completely acceptable plan.
At dinner, at home. What do you want for dinner? Should I cook or should we order? Let's order pizza.
Should we order? One of the great questions of modern life. And after dinner, the little evening phrases, I'm watching a series. What are you watching? One more episode.
One more episode. The biggest lie we tell ourselves in every language.
Has. And then, slowly, the day winds down. Part 7. The night.
Winding down means relaxing at the end of the day. I'm winding down. I'm getting ready for bed.
And here's where we connect to day 8. Remember the 1-minute speaking habit? The night is the perfect moment. Before you sleep, say, out loud or in your head in English, 3 sentences about your day.
Today was good. I finished my work. I talked to my friend. That's it. 3 simple sentences.
Past tense practice, vocabulary practice, and a little moment of reflection. All in 1 minute, in bed.
And then the good night phrases. I'm going to bed. Good night. Sleep well. Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. Such a lovely phrase to end a day.
Wait, before the recap. We should be honest. Not every day is a work day. What about the weekend?
The weekend. The vocabulary changes completely, and it's wonderful. First phrase, to sleep in. It means to sleep later than usual on purpose. On Saturdays, I sleep in.
The opposite of the alarm clock. And then, to hang out. It means to spend relaxed time with people. No big plan. I'm hanging out with friends. Do you want to hang out?
To run errands. We know errands now. On Saturday morning, I run errands. Supermarket, pharmacy, all of it.
And the 2 big weekend questions. Friday afternoon, everyone asks, any plans for the weekend?
Any plans for the weekend? And Monday morning, everyone asks, how was your weekend?
And now you have the perfect answer. It was great. I slept in, I hung out with friends, I watched a series. Or the classic, it was quiet. I stayed in.
Those 2 questions, any plans for the weekend, how was your weekend, are half of all small talk in every office in the world. Learn the pair and Monday becomes easy.
Okay, now the recap. We just lived a whole day in English. Let's fly over it one more time, fast. The morning, 5 more minutes. I'm getting up. Coffee or tea? We're out of milk. I'm running late.
Leaving home. Where are my keys? I'm on my way. Excuse me. Does this bus go to the center?
At work. How's it going? Can you help me with this? I have a question. Let me check. Sorry, I didn't catch that. I'll get back to you.
Lunch. Can I have the sandwich, please? For here or to go. It's delicious.
Afternoon errands. Where can I find the rice? Do you have something for a headache? I'd like to make an appointment. What time does it close?
Evening. Are you free tonight? Let's grab dinner. I'm staying in. Should we order? 1 more episode.
And the night, I'm winding down. Today was good. Good night. Sweet dreams.
That's it. 1 day, maybe 50 phrases. And here's the homework. This week, pick just 1 part of your day. Only the morning, for example. And live that 1 hour in English every day. Narrate it. Use the phrases,
Next week, add the commute, then lunch. Piece by piece, your whole day becomes English. Without a textbook, without stress.
because you don't learn English somewhere out there. You learn it right here inside your own life.
Before we say goodbye, one last exercise, 30 seconds. Close your eyes, unless you're driving.
Ha! Yes, drivers, eyes open, please.
Everyone else, close your eyes and live tomorrow morning in English right now. The alarm rings. What do you say?
5 more minutes.
You get up, you're in the kitchen. What's the question?
Coffee or tea?
The milk is finished. What do you say?
We're out of milk.
You look at the clock. Oh no. What do you shout?
I'm running late.
You can't find something. What is it?
Where are my keys?
And you're out the door. Did you feel that? You just lived tomorrow morning in English before it even happened.
And tomorrow, when it happens for real, the phrases will already be there, waiting for you. That's the whole method in one exercise.
If this episode helped you, please press the like button and subscribe. It truly helps us make more episodes for you.
And before we go, here's our question for you today. Which part of your day will you start living in English first? The morning, the commute, lunch, or the evening?
Write it in the comments. We read every single one, and we will reply to you.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. See you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.